Hey guys, good morning. I wanted to make the video to let you guys know that, you know, not to really sound any alarms, but all tech is down pre-market. The S&P 500 is down pre-market. Again, there's a lot of rumors and speculation that today the Fed is having a closed emergency meeting. Um, don't know what it's going to be about. Everybody's saying that it's going to be about rates and it's going to be about they're going to increase rates faster than usual because of what the CPI numbers were, where inflation is at and stuff. But if we look at SPY's down, right? SPY's down. We'll go like the big four, right? Amazon down pre-market, Microsoft down pre-market, look, and then Apple down pre-market. 166, and then also we look at Google, more than likely down pre-market, right? I think the only one that actually has a gap to fill is Amazon, right? Yeah, Amazon has a nice gap to fill all the way down at $2,800. So, I think if we drop, I think Amazon's gonna lead the way, gonna be filling that gap at 2820. And if we look at the Nas, right? If we look at the Nasdaq, I usually look at the Nas 100 because I trade forex. I trade the mini on the forex, right? So, it's down, right? There's kind of a small implication that we have a double top right here. So again, everything looks bearish. I'm gonna be completely honest. I mean, if we manage to stay flat here for like the next, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, I can see another jump to the upside. But also, everything looks bearish pre-market. All big tech is down. All of our, Nasdaq is down. Obviously, S&P 500 is down. Bitcoin is surprisingly stable at $4,200 right now. And I do still think that, that we are still in a completely good, like really good bullish cycle, right? But again, it all really depends on I think the market. I think Bitcoin what it really wants to do is it wants to react to the market right now. That's what it's waiting for. I think it's just waiting for the market to open and for a reaction. See, I thought it was gonna actually come down, but it actually popped off the trend there, right? I want to take that short, but I'm not trading right now. I'm just standing on the sidelines and waiting. So as of right now, it's just kind of hanging out. It's not really doing much. It's literally just been trading sideways for the last couple of for this whole weekend. It basically just kind of traded, within this range right here, right? And I think that depending on where the market goes, and right now it looks like it's going to go down. There's a really good chance that it's probably going to drop all the way back here, where I think it's original trend. Yeah. Let me see if I can go back a little bit. There you go. So I think there's a really good chance that it can drop back here to its original trend, somewhere around $40,000, $4100, or $41,000, and then pop from there. But we'll see what happens. So far, it's creating weak bear days on the reverse MACD, but we're starting to see some sort of a slight curve to the upside on the stochastic. So we'll see what happens. As of right now, I think we'll probably trade sideways at most, come down to trend and then pop, but we'll see what happens. The only thing that I'm worried about right now is on the weekly. You already have a weak bear candle, a weak bullish candle on the weekly for the RMACD. So that's what I'm kind of worried about, and the fact that it's coming out this early and not somewhere like not being created up here. That's the worrisome part, right? That's what I'm worried about. So, we'll see what happens. This week needs to have a really nice pop. Ideally, I would want it to go over. Ideally, I would want Bitcoin over 45,855 by the end of this week, but we'll see what happens. Things are getting a little bit funky, to be honest, and I don't want I don't want it to end the bull cycle right here, because that would kind of suck. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.